Hare Krishna, welcome to Radharani's kitchen. Today I am here with a quick recipe of delicious French toast. It is very simple recipe, so let's get started. In a white bowl, take half cup of parboiled milk. The milk should be at room temperature, else the bread will become soggy. To it, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavored custard powder. Instead of custard powder, you can also use cornstarch and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of cinnamon powder. It is the secret ingredient of French toast. Mix everything nicely until there are no lumps and the sugar melts completely. Now take slices of bread. Here I have cut them into halves. You can use whole as well. Heat a non-stick pan and take around 1 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter melts, take a slice of the bread and dip it in the batter. Dip the bread just for a couple of seconds, else it will become soggy. Let them toast until they are golden brown from both sides. Once they turn golden from the bottom, turn them. Since it has got milk in it, it sticks to the pan, so it's better to make this French toast in non-stick pans. If required, add little butter. The toasts have been cooked well from both the sides. Let's take them out. Don't they look delicious? Drizzle the toasts with honey or any syrup of your choice, and delicious French toast bhoga is ready to be offered to the Lord. Cook, offer and enjoy prasadam. Hare Krishna.